Hi there. I just wanted to show you the SculptBoxes membership that we now have available also. It has 22 classes in it so far, and I will be adding to this one. We've got everything's organized in a way that will help you in your sculpting progress. Like this one, you just need to learn how to make a head. And this one, it's the head and the hands. And then this one has a hard body with it and some boots. This one moves on to making legs and arms. So it just kind of moves along like that, so you can progress with each project. We've got a lot of fun ones in here for you, several for the winter time, and they get progressively more complex as we go along. And then down here at the bottom, we've got some that are more for the holidays and just more whimsical type, including a furry dragon art doll. So they're very fun, and I just wanted to show you how easy it is to get in there. You just click on the course that you'd like to do next, and then you can keep on going through the different introductions. Over on the left side, you'll be able to see if you want to skip ahead to a different place, like if you want to go up to painting, then it will show you that as well. Here's a darling little face that we ended up making to redo the bunny baby when my dog had gotten a hold of it, so that turned out super cute. So to return to your courses, you just go back to the home and then hit courses, and it will take you back. It'll take you back to this main page where you can choose another course to work on. Anyway, this will have a monthly membership cost. It'll be very reasonable, so you are able to access all of these and then just stay for as many months as you would like. I hope you enjoy that, and have a great day sculpting.